Hello, hi, good morning, dear students. This is your biology teacher Shivani Dikshit from online CPV and online classes. Dear students, right now I am going to tell you that how to score 100% in biology. There are some tips, tricks, and strategies on how to score 100% in biology. First of all, I would like to tell you that whatever the exam you are going to be appear, you must be know about its syllabus. So same is in biology that you have to know its syllabus, and if you are going to understand its next thing, that also you have to aware about your exam pattern. And the third thing is very interesting, students, that is develop a love for the subject. Dear students, we all learn lots of the things daily, but if you are not having interest in that subject, so you will not be perform very well in that exam. So the third point is that develop a love for the subject. It is very important. Then the next point is that make break down the chapters into short chunks and then proceed to study. Make effective notes and constantly revise them. If you will memorize the terminology, so it is very important that before memorizing the terminology, you should understand the root of the term, from where it comes, what is its meaning. It is a Greek term or a Latin term, or it is given by what the verbal meaning actually about that root term. So whatever the terminology will be there, it is very important to revise it. Next important thing is that to create mnemonics. Students, it is very interesting. If we learn any kind of thing, and if we create our own tricks and own any type of mnemonics, then it will become much easier to learn that. Suppose in our class, when I was teaching in class 10th, then there is the first chapter in that. The mnemonic is the chapter was cell division, and in that chapter, cell division, I have told to revise or learn the term that are related to the cell division phases. There are some phases in cell division, so I have told my students to learn. I The mnemonic was, I prefer milk and tea. By this, I means interphase, P means prophase, M means metaphase, and and A means anaphase, and T for telophase. So it is a mnemonic to learn the phases. If we come to the next point, then that is make charts and paste it somewhere that you are likely to look always, whether it is your study room or your drawing room or your bedroom, wherever you are. If you are going to look again and again to a chart, then the terms and the pictures easily get memorized. This will help you in the exams. And the next point is that practice diagrams. Dear students, as already I have told you in my classes that biology means diagrams. If you are having good drawing and a command over the diagrams and the labeling of the diagrams, then you have positive points. Lots of plus point you will achieve. So whenever you got bored by the study, then you just draw the diagrams. The next point is that study for 20-30 minutes at a stretch and take 5-minute break in between. Regularly, if we study, then we also got bored. So, according to me, we have to just take 5-minute break in between. Next point is solve past papers. It give us sense. It give us logic that what what will be there in the future exam if we will solve past papers. Once you have learned a concept, teach it to a friend or look into a mirror or teach yourself in the clearest possible way. This is a very great thing, you know. If you are learning something and you just go to dictate it anywhere, in front, whether it is in front of the mirror, then it will be the means what I say that it will be just 100% fix in your mind. And as you know that how much we give the terms what we learn, they will be just fixes in our mind. So whatever you have learned a concept, you should at least teach yourself by any way, whether your friend will be there or mirror will be there, or just open your mobile camera and talk with the mobile camera, right? Now the most important thing is that what happens during the exams, what you have to do during the exams. First thing is that in your exams, when you are going to appear in the exam, then make use of the reading time. Because in ICSE board, whether it is a ICSE board or UP board or CBSE board, whatever it is, always the student have 15 to 20 minutes to read the paper. So you have to utilize that 15 minutes, right? And next is during the exam, decide the order to attempt the paper. Means it is very important, students, if you are not decide the order to attempt the paper, then you got confused. At the last you are putting question number 1 here, question number 3rd, then question number 5, then means it is not done. You will just be confused and you are making the examiner confused also. You just find out the perfect order that this and this you have to attempt in the exam. The next very important thing is that keep your calm. You have to keep yourself calm, quiet, and whatever you can say that focus over the exam, right? Make sure you read the question well before you answer it. Just read once, twice, and thrice time of your question if you are going to be answer it before you are in very hurry. Yes, you just read only half line and just write the answer, that will lose your marks, right? The next important thing is that write neatly and legibly. Number of students ask to me that, ma'am, writing doesn't matter in the exams, only marks will be there. But according to me, dear students, it is very important, as writing is also an art. So you will have to focus over the neat writing, as clear your copy or answer script will be there, as the impression goes to good on the examiner's mind. The next point is that write the question number properly, as you have to copy same question number, whether it is in alphabetic manner or numerical manner or Roman number, same you have to copy and write in the answer script. And the last point is that write crisp answers, keywords, what are important. If you highlight the crisp words, then it makes a good impression to the examiner. Means he or she will understand that what the student want to answer according to the question. So students, hope you all will focus over the tips, tricks and strategies about the exam, or I'm sure that after focusing over these points, you will score 100% in your biology exam. As I would like to tell the ICSE students that they are waiting for their biology exam, still it is incomplete. So, hope you all are learning. Stay home, stay safe, and keep revising, keep practicing the diagrams, perform well in the exams. All the best for your exams. Thank you very much.